Hey guys, it's Dean with Dean and Done, and today I'm going to be adding a deadbolt in this door. Right now all they have is the one handle at the bottom and they want to add a deadbolt. I picked this Craftsman door lock installation kit up at Lowe's. It basically aligns your hole right here for your handle and a hole right here. And it also comes with the hole saw bit, so that's nice. Most of the time the deadbolt is a little lower, closer to this handle, but for personal preference, we're putting it a little bit higher. So I got my holes set right where I want them. The wood that you drilled out can be a pain to get out, so you kind of use these holes and your hole saw bit. This one gave me a hard time, but keep working it. Get it out. See, I got the hole right there, and then right there. Mark on the outside. And this door is a whole lot thinner than a normal door. It's only 1 inch thick, and most doors are like 1 3/4 inches. So I'm working with very little or a very thin door. So I make my mark right there, and then I'm just going to chisel that out about 1/8 to 1/4 inch to account for that, so it'll sit flush with that door. Now I got my deadbolt right where I want it. Since the door is only 1 inch thick, I bought these little spacers at Lowe's, because if you tighten this deadbolt too tight, this will be super stiff and the deadbolt will as well, making it super hard to lock the deadbolt. So got the deadbolt installed. Now just trying to drill right here so it actually has somewhere to go so to lock. So I used a spade bit to drill out for the deadbolt, chisel it out for the plate. It's not perfect. It's for a rental. It'll do. Shut, locks. Ain't going nowhere, baby. Now time to get rid of these death hooks or prison bar. This is how the door was previously locked, with a bar, and it was definitely doing the job, but just not what we wanted. So now I can get rid of the bar and the hooks. A little upgrade to the house. Not too bad. Just wrapped up the deadbolt. Turned out really good. This is actually a 120-year-old house. It's a rental, not my rental, but someone I work for. And that can explain why the door is only 1 inch thick. Nothing on this, or nothing in this house, is to scale or to code or a basic measurement on anything. So we work with what we got and I know my client's gonna be pretty happy, because there's only so much you can do on these old houses. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and keep coming back for more videos. See ya!